Time for fun at the Gugu Gaga Penguin Playground. Uh-oh, the penguin girl's natural enemy! Help has arrived. Now get lost before a house falls on you. Why don't you come with us? Here, step inside. Now that's our cue to make an exit. Aw, our new house guest is adorable. And she's got a lot of energy to burn. Hey, where'd you get that gum? Ugh, it's gonna blow! Well, on the bright side, it didn't get in your hair. Hey, bubblegum should always be used for good. But if you want to blow big bubbles, I think we can come up with something for you. Just need a balloon and a paper cup. And why not give it a cute bunny theme? She'll blow all the bubbles you want for you. Oh no! I just knew the cardboard boxes would revolt. Oh, it's just you. But it's not nice to scare people. Or take jobs from hardworking jack-in-the-boxes. Wait, that's it! Grab some paper. X marks the spot. Fold them up, and you get an open box. Next up, we're gonna need our own jack. Except this jack is a penguin girl. I'll call her Jackie. Add some wings and a paper staircase. Stick her inside and give her a push. Aw, someone's got a cold. Granted, she's always cold. Oh, you know what I mean. Anyway, inspiration strikes! Grab an image of our favorite penguin girl and keep her down with tape. Now let's punch out all those unneeded edges. And don't forget our secret ingredient, green slime. Hey, she's got a messy face, just like you. Let's show you what we can do. Just a simple wipe. Try it, please. Someone likes sweets. Wait till she finds out you can remove the wrappers. But you can't eat the entire bowl of candy. After all, there won't be enough for the rest of us. I know. What you need is a special cardboard box. With an even smaller box inside. And look, it's even got a special cardboard tongue. In fact, you know it's got good taste. There's an even bigger tongue. Look, it's a special penguin candy bank. Just press the beak, and the sweets are yours. Just at a slower, friendlier pace. Of course, she might have other ideas about that last part. Can't fall asleep? Ooh, there's a monster under your bed? Ah, it's just Santa. And unlike monsters, he's real. Santa only appears when you're sleeping. So we just have to convince him that it's daytime. What we need is a powerful nightlight. Now we just need to whip up a special potion. It's like we've got a whole glass of sunshine. And I'm not talking orange juice. Off to the North Pole for him, and bed for you. Well, no use crying over spilled bubble solution. Yeah, I know that's not how it goes. But you'd be surprised by how many things can spill. In the meantime, wrap string around a bottleneck. Now add a penguin, just to keep things on theme. And a little soap and water always go a long way. Just don't forget to mix it up and give our little friend a dip. Now make a wish and blow. It's painting time! Wait, was that the Grinch? That guy is always stealing things. First Christmas, now this? But we can fix that. Just mash up a carrot. Now you can paint anything orange, like another carrot or orange. Oh no, he took green too. Well, grab a cucumber and get chewing. I wonder if this trick also works on pickles. Well, if it works, it works. Now get painting. Before the Grinch decides to steal aquamarine. Wow, it's like we're back in Sprunky Land. Ooh, do I smell a crossover video? Well, we know just what you need, a bath. Of course, it's a bath with a sprunky touch. Do you prefer your bath hot or cold? Our sprunky friends prefer things just right. Now, Waxes, you just sit back and relax, and we'll make just the thing to help. Your very own facial mask. Complete with soap. But let's seal it up so we can spread the suds. Now let it set. Your pores will thank you. Our friends want to help set up the new bathroom. But I guess a decorator's job is never done. The perfect thing to hold all our soaps. Plus, you can never stop at one rubber ducky. Just maybe turn it to the side. Much better. Almost done. Don't forget the bathroom sink. Not to be confused with the kitchen sink. But I think our privy's missing something. That porcelain white should be a clue. Okay, we've got a tank, a seat. I hope Sky doesn't feel insulted by this, but he can just zip his lid. Here, Oren, why don't you break it in? Hey, don't forget to wash your hands. Ugh, don't forget to flush either. Everything is coming up roses. Looks like we need to do some laundry. We're gonna need a washing machine. This should help with the spin cycle. Now for some finishing touches. It's time for our first load. You remembered to add detergent, right? Almost done. Hang it up to dry. Oh, Gray doesn't look too happy. Don't worry, Mr. Sun is here to help. But first, we gotta help him. After all, Mr. Sun likes to help things shine. Now let's get you something to eat. Try some fish. It's brain food. Just don't swallow the bones. You too. Gray's back to his old ashen face. Unfortunately, what goes in must come out. Yeah, make sure you wash those hands. But first, we should probably clean things up. Come on, let's find your spot. You'd think they'd be color-coded. For us, it's blank, but we can fix that. It's Pinky. Well, she's gonna need some pink and a little purple. Why don't we cut her out, too? Now give her some friends and some enemies. Still, they're looking a bit flat. This'll liven things up. Remember, folks, it's important to stay hydrated. It also pays to color coordinate. Now this guy's really gonna take the plunge. Here, Simon, we haven't forgotten you. All two of you. Wow, someone sure was thirsty today. Why don't we stack you up like pancakes? And flatten you up, also like pancakes. Looks like Ratty's doing his business. Hey, he could use a little privacy in here. You could at least remember to flush. Looks like we got a clog. Better clean it up. Here, this should clean things up. At the very least, we've got bubbles. You never go wrong with bubbles. Looks like it's time to water our vase. Pesky flowers. Now for some shaving cream. Cool stash. But now let's add it to the water. Nice and frothy, but let's add some color. Pick any color to start, but don't worry, we're adding the whole rainbow. And look, the foam's not the only thing getting a makeover. Now it's time to mix it all together. Hold on a sec, there's something inside. Who is it? Wow, it's a rainbow sprunky. Complete with a beret. Ooh, Simon's got a little gift for you. Let's add it to our collection. These special slimes come in so many colors. But they might be lonely in all those jars. Why don't we bring them all together? We could keep them like this, but let's mix things up. What a lovely shade of brown, the color of chocolate. Oren, what's wrong? Oh, there's a prize inside. Uh-oh, you know who? Not much of a prize. You hear that? It's our old pal Wenda. But she doesn't look too good. Let's check her out. Ooh, talk about indigestion. And all that slime! I think we could put it to better use. Add some cute things. And sprinkles. Come on, we need sugar, spice, and everything nice. And our special ingredient, elbow grease. Wow, things are looking much better already. Here, Wenda, this stuff should perk you up. After all, it's what's inside that counts. Now we just need to stitch you back up. Wow, you're looking better already. Cool, we've got sprunky stress balls. Give him a squeeze. He can take it. Of course, I don't want to burst your bubble. No, wait, on second thought, I kinda do. That's one way to show us what you're made of. Always best to share.
Oops.
And that goes for you, too. Ooh, water beads. So why don't we keep squeezing? Okay, Pinky, you're up next. Wow, she's feeling really squishy today. Now I really want to know what's inside her. Well, would you look at all that sand? You know what that means. It's time for some sand art.